Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Charlotte and today I'm going to be walking around our brand new Rapido 80660F. Some key features of the 8066 is it's a 4-berth, it's 7.49 metres in length, it's 4.5 tonnes, so you do have a huge payload with this one, and it's the Alco chassis, so you've got the double floor. So making our way around to the side, our gas bottles are kept here in the front. This is where your Alco chassis comes into play, so you've got, again, amazing storage capacity in this vehicle, and then you can access that from the inside as well. You've got your awning light, your electric welcome step, and then you have a huge garage at the back, and this is also heated. So look at that for space. So at the back we have our reverse camera. We've got this lovely new upgraded sort of light cluster here. That's nearly like a carbon effect on the lights, and then you've actually got the little Rapido logo in your indicator bulbs. So all the little things do add up. This is the access to the garage from the other side, and another notable feature is there's actually a shower point just down below over there. You've got access to your double floor at this side as well, and then your fuse box is actually located outside, as you can see just there. So the driving experience in the 8066, we've got all the latest technology up here. We've got the digital dash, you've got your leather steering wheel, cruise control, you've got your voice recognition to make your calls and your Bluetooth and all the rest. Your little buttons are actually behind the steering wheel to change the radio and adjust the volume. Your infotainment system is powered by a wee button just there, and then as you can see there, you've got your Apple CarPlay, you've got your smartphone navigation, and your reverse camera is built into that screen as well. You've got your automatic climate zone, and then just underneath that is your induction smartphone charger, so you can wirelessly charge your phone. So this is our living quarters, and as you can see, it just does have that open and airy feel. So if you're after something that comfortably lounges and sleeps 4 people, this could be the one. This is obviously your bench seats in the front lounge. This table comes out, so you've got a lovely space there for your dining. You've got USB ports just beside the lounge. You've got an overcab bed, so you fold the seats down at the front and that pulls down. You've a huge double bed. Over here is your control panels. So this vehicle's heating system is Aldi. So if you're familiar with the heating systems, that is the top of the range heating system. It's a wet water system that generates through the van, and it is typically a quieter heating system. We've got the latest Truma iNet control panel here, so that's all touchscreen, and you can actually activate that through your phone. So if you want to turn on your heating whenever you're out and about to come back to the van, you can do that. And then this is your TBB Power lithium leisure battery control panel where you can monitor your battery levels. Just behind me is our fridge. So As you can see here, huge fridge and then a separate freezer. And then you've got your Thetford oven. Over to this side is your kitchen. So as you can see here, you've got huge storage. We've actually got a little wine rack in there, which is pretty smart. So we've got a 2 ring gas burner here, and then as well as that is our sink. It actually comes off, so that's handy. And then you can click that back into place. With the 2026 model, as you can see, you've got that lovely upgraded sort of marble effect on your counter. And then your drop down bed, we'll show you that. So that just basically pull this wee lever across like it is done, and that comes down, and look at that, how handy. You've got a big massive double bed there. So at the back we have our rear single layout, which of course gives you the huge garage, and then just underneath the bed we have storage at either side. So as you can see, again, massive cupboard. You've USB ports at the back there, and as well as that, you've got your multimedia system with the speakers at the back. And another nice thing I do like about this van is, as you can see, the ambient lighting, and you can adjust those with the little light buttons at the front. This is our separate shower and toilet. So you've got the shower just over at this side, and then you've got your toilet and your sink just over here. Thanks for watching, folks. That is our Rapido 8066. If you want to check out full details on this vehicle and the breakdown of which spec comes in whatever packs, check it out at thompsonleisure.com. And if you would like to speak to anybody from our sales team, if you have any inquiries, give us a call, 028 9269 3999, option 1.